Hello everyone. So I just uploaded a video like 2 hours ago, but I just took a trade on silver, and here's how I made $1,600 and lost $1,200. Um, so the moral of the story is I was being stupid and degenerate, but yeah, we'll go into how I was trading and how low frequency thinking can mess up your trading, right? So we're at all-time highs, right? We have all-time highs at Asia. We long in Asia, and we consolidate a little bit in lunch hour, right? And in London, we also push up. So what do we have right here? I saw a gap that took out this high, so that is an important gap. What did I enter? I enter off. Why did I enter? I totally forgot. Let me remember. So I took a trade. Nope, I didn't took a trade here because you can see there's no. If there's a candle follow up with this candle, I would take a trade, but I didn't. I take a trade right here. So we consolidated as a tapping inside this 50-minute gap, and we had a displacement. And I enter first trade right here at 295 right there. Stop below here, and TP was at 11. 1110 right there, a psych point, right? So that's my TP. This trader got break even, which is very stupid. I didn't follow my rule, but the risk was too big for me to handle. I didn't want to risk that much on my funded account because this is a $1,000 risk with only 3 micros. So yeah, I will have made like 2.2k, but it is what it is. I was honestly being stupid, but yeah. Move on to the next trade. So after I got being break even, I got back in here, and target is the same, right? And this trade right here, I enter like up here. Trade right here got break even once again because I scale in onto this off move, right? So I got break even so fast, like a fucking bitch, fucking pussy on the market. I'm not even joking. Like on evals, I never do stupid shit like this. I'm just gonna put it and forget, right? I hit my stop loss and I move on to next trade. I hit my take profit and meet my daily profit limit, right? So, but I was being a fucking bitch because I did lose $500 prior to this. So that was bad. But yeah, I got break even again, and then you know I revenge traded, of course, because I was being a bitch. I was being an absolute bitch, and I finally got take profit here, and I made around how much? Uh, 1.4k, 1.2k, one 2.2k to the exact, yeah, 2.2k. So that makes me up 2.2k. That makes me up around $1,600, right? Because I lost $500 prior to this, right? So I let three run. I let 3 micros run. I was floating like 2.2k. I was floating like 3k in profit, but I only took off five micros, and I let 3 micros run potentially to the upside, right? Because that's usually what price gonna do in an all-time highs scenario, right? So I got break even on last trade, right? So $0 and $30, right? So break even. Okay, cool. But I wasn't cool with that, bro. So after getting break even, right here, saw price wake up. So I thought I was floating 800. Now it wake up like this. I don't deserve this break even. I don't deserve it. I deserve a win, and I deserve to make money. $400 first trade $400, right? Okay, and then price dumped down. I was at like $1,100 and $80. I still remember I wanted to make $20 to, I wanted to make $20 just to hit like $1,200, and then I'll hop off the chart. That's not gonna that's not gonna happen. The market only respect those who can follow his rules, and um and can execute with a cold-headed, temper. I don't know how to say it, but if your energy is high frequency, which means you come into the market with no detachment, you're cool, you collected, you calm, you execute with no emotion attached to it, you have no fear, you have no excitement, then you definitely make it in trading. Then the market will always give you what you want. Like in evals, I always win because I deserve, because I do things that are accordingly to the high frequency that the market will willing to give me that. So like for example, this trade right here, my rule is do not get out until all the gaps got inversed. But I bitched out, right? I bitched out, I took out, got break even, and um, price shoot up 2.2k gone, just 3 micros, and I was over risking like 8 micros on this trade right here just to make 2.2k, and just to make 2.2k and a little bit. I have some runners, but yeah, I shorted. I tried to short right here, like right there, with 1 micros, and I want to make $20. End up losing. $200. So I took it out like right here. Why? Because I bitched out again. At this point, that I'm tilted. I'm now down to $900. So I want to be back 1,000. But PNL doesn't matter, right? Really doesn't. So I tried to long up here and got stopped out 2 times. Each time $300. So from floating $2,000 in profit to having 1.6k realized profit to only $400 realized profit. Like, to be honest, I don't deserve this win at all. The only win I deserve is this win right here. All these straight up here is revenge trading and emotional trading, and I don't deserve it because I was being a bitch. I wasn't in a good mental state. I and that reflects on the chart, right? And this is the typical behavior you see me doing on my funded accounts, taking 20, 10, 20 trade a day, leading to, self-destructive behaviors, and couldn't solve myself. I thought that I'm gonna solve my problems by, trading more, but that is just gonna make it worse. So at least I um, got back to that high frequency. I said enough is enough. Fuck this. I can make it back. I can make everything back today, tomorrow, Wednesday. We always have opportunity. Price is just still there, it's going nowhere. My model is always working. So like, what's the reason for me to revenge trading right now, right? $400 is fine. I was down $500. Now I'm up $400. So you see that's the price I had to pay is much bigger than $1,200. It is, um, yeah, it is very big. So um, I don't want to do anything with my realized P&L anymore. I actually don't want to. I actually don't want to. Okay, because I absolutely hate it. I absolutely do. I absolutely do. I absolutely hate it. But yeah, that is what I've been doing wrong. Now we're going to the gym with my friends. Hopefully there will be some opportunity I can trade this evening in New York sessions in silver or on Nasdaq. Yeah, so I ruined my profit being a stupid ass. again and again and again and never learn. I never learn. I truly never learn. It is so easy. Like if you hit take profit and then this trade hit your break even according to your according to your plan, then the next best thing you can do is to follow your plan by trading another, like to trade on another opportunity, right? There's no point on making it back right now because it's not going to work because that doesn't have any data, and then because the market move on side point, and if you revenge trade right now, you are being led by the market, and that's is unprofitable, and in the long term you will lose all your money and you'll be miserable, right? And I don't understand how I keep doing it. I absolutely hate myself for that, bro. I absolutely hate myself. But yeah. mm, right now, uh yeah, let me hide my balance too. Like I literally don't care anymore at this point, bro. I literally don't care at this point anymore. I'm just gonna do what I'm supposed to do to trade my edge. That's all. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next trick recap.